Okay, welcome back. So I will just keep continuing with this, making the video game, making tactical RPG with JavaScript. And what I was trying to do is to create the attack feature. And in order to create an attack feature, I first have to work on the menu buttons that where the player can actually choose to attack an enemy. So the menu button will be displayed when when it's time for the actor to make action, and the player should have option to choose either move or attack or just pass or end the turn. That's like the first step of making an attack. So I think it's gonna take a while to just to initialize the interface with the menu buttons. So I'm just gonna work on that. Let's start. So when it is turn for an actor to act, which is handled by stage's wait turn feature, so focus on unit would be the first thing to be called. So first, focus on unit will display the tiles or highlight the tiles that each actor can move. But highlighting tiles that he can move is, I think, it's a good thing. But at the same time, I want to display a menu. So I'm just going to go back to the svelte console, svelte file, which was this, and then create a new. I will eventually make it to the component, but I'm just going to start from here. Div class. I'm just going to start with the class menu, action menu. I would action menu. I would name it. Oops, sorry. And do you want? Well, this menu would have 3 buttons. Button 1 is to choose to move, and button 2 would choose to attack, and button 3 would be end turn. So that will be the 3 buttons that will be displayed. And action menu style. Actually, actor area is no longer here, so I'm just going to rename it action menu. Sorry. And spacing, so the bottom, so it will be the absolute position, and I will just do like 50 viewport height, and also left 50 viewport width. Let's see what it shows to me. Move, attack, and turn. Great. So it's showing. So only when I pick move, turn, then I will be able to select some of the tiles. But I think I can just directly do that, right? So move button will maybe disappear itself, so that it's actually easier to select some of the tile like this one. But I would just leave it as you can actually click any tile when the menu is being displayed. So I'm going to. So move would just make this component disappear. All right, so it's the same thing. So as the bottom menu, action menu, actor data, not action menu, action menu. So if action menu is true, this is being displayed. Maybe I would just make a transition again. Was a translation, a transition? Oh, I don't know, I don't remember. It's alright. I'll just make it fade. Is it a transition? Transition, fade. Yeah. I'm just going to make actually this again into component. anyways, so this will be action menu. That's about. I'm just gonna pass the unit as well. Is unit defined? Okay, so unit should be defined. So basically what it is unit. I'm just going to copy this to here. Let unit. Oh no, that's not really cool. And because unit, let's take so unit 1. Let's go rename it. Unit 1. Unit 1. Unit 1. Okay, so this is it. Let unit, oh, not the let, but unit. So focus unit should update after action menu visible. And also, so when do I disable it? I don't know, but in the action menu is okay. So moving, yeah, it's the same thing. Okay, so moving actually shouldn't pass the wait turn to the next character. I just did it for the sake of testing for now, but so finish turn doesn't really do this start wait turn, but end turn will do that. So clicking the end turn will do that. Action data, where's it? Okay, so action menu. So clicking end turn will do on click start wait turn stage. So stage should be imported. That's it. Just gonna make it like const on what's that? Move end turn clicked. So okay, so on end turn clicked. Console log ending turn console log ending turn. Okay, so let's move and turn. Yeah, okay. And this guy can move and turn. Right, so you have to decide and then end the turn, right? So okay, so making a move should actually hide the menu, and then rotating should actually bring the menu back. So stage, when the stage try to move the unit, it actually hides the the actor data. I should just hide the menu as well. Find tiles, where is it? I'm gonna put false. Oh. Switching back and forth with Mac and Windows messes me up. Okay, so update action menu false, and so after rotating, so finish turn actually shouldn't be called. Instead, menu should be finished. So the finish turn actually works. Finish turn is important. So UI controller update is called. It wasn't imported by now, so I'm just going to import it. And UI controller is called, and when the menu is clicked, that's action menu. So instead of calling start wait turn, I should actually call the finish turn, and then finish turn should call the start with turn. Right, so this is necessary, and this is how it's supposed to be. Okay, so let's try again. Right, so making a move, hide the menu, rotating, finish rotating should bring the UI back. I think I did it wrong. Not instead of false, instead of true. Make it true. Okay, so making the turn, I'll make a move, turn, and end turn. That will bring a new guy. Okay, so, and then he can actually move, rotate, and turn. Okay, so move, clicking move would just hide the UI. Okay, so I'm just going to do that. Const what is it? Move clicked. Okay, you need to stop move. Nice. No, that's not really the case. It's actually the case for UI to be hidden. UI controller update. What is it? Action menu. False. On click. On move clicked. Oh, data. Right. So you have to pass the object. Okay. But then again, UI controller basically either shows the move, shows the menu, or hides the UI. So what it does is, I'm just going to make a new actually class and make it even easier. So instead of having updates, I should have show function, and which takes the title, and that is a string, and right, UI controller store update dump and return dump, and dump title is true. I'm just going to copy that and make a new function that's called hide, and basically that sets it false. Instead of updating, it should just say hide and action menu. Hide it, and then make move and end turn. Yep.